Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Snowing today, snowing bad. So I think I'm gonna go for a rip in the woods. I hope you enjoy. Gonna be a lot of white. So yeah, I'm gonna have some fun. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
Recording.
All right, so here we go, folks. Let's put her in gear and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Now we're working on snow on a layer of bulletproof ice on this trail, so I am going to be taking it somewhat easy because I don't want to end up in the woods or off a cliff or whatever. Yeah, I can feel my tires sliding right now, but it's a beautiful day. Well, sort of. That's all subjective. Oh, look, there's a trail. So we're running the ball field trail behind the ball field in Bootlear's Point. And what the hell is that? What in the hell is that? Somebody's jacket. I thought somebody was fucking hanging from a tree. All right, we're good. That's why I'm not wearing my glasses. Let's get the glasses on the head first, folks. There, so I'm not tripping and seeing shit in trees. There we go. I haven't been back here in a bit. The trail's really ruddy. And the branches are low. As per the last snowy video, I'm going to be wiping the lens. Ooh, okay. All right. So, there's a tree down. I am going to... pop over it. Oh, there's a bridge here too. Got to be careful. Holy shit. It's almost flying blind here with the snow. You don't know where the holes or rocks are, and this is a very rocky path back here. But I got a skid plate and it's all good, so no complaints. Just out here having fun. Yeah, there's a lot of trees down here since the last time I was back. I wonder what's going on there now. It was rather windy. Actually, it was, we had a pretty bad storm, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. The wind was so bad, it knocked, yeah, look at all the branches and trees and shit there. It knocked a branch through my neighbor's SUV rear window, which sucks for them. But it is what it is when you live around trees, I guess. Holy shit, yeah, there's trees all over this place. So, I can get over this. I may have to winch it off once, here we go. Up and over. I'm stuck. Fuck. There we go. Now let's help Lisa get over that. I'm just gonna... We're gonna go like that. Come on. Want me to do it? Yeah, we'll move it on the way back. Here we go, folks. Oh, hers just ripped right up over it. All right. Ta-da. I wonder why mine didn't. I didn't hit it at speed, that's why. Look at the fun we're having. All right. Brush off the sticker. Represent the channel. Branches are low, and this is icy. This is going to be a son of a gun to get back up. That's all right, though. Look at the fun we're having. I'm taking it slow because I know underneath this is an ice rink. I'm just out getting fresh air, so I don't want to fuck that tree up. I'll just move it out of the way. Oh, that hit me right in the mouth. I hope y'all caught that. I took that right in the chops. There you go. Let's get her in drive, buddy. Yeah, it's snowy. Snowy, snowy. Now, this is going to be interesting. Oh, all right. I hope y'all don't mind me wiping the camera. I don't even know if it needs to be wiped, but just in case. Whoa, this is gonna do the limbo under these branches here. In fact, I gotta take my glasses off because I can't see shit. I'd rather not see shit and it not be foggy than... There we go. All right, here we go. The beauty of two buggies with winches is the odds of getting stuck are very, very slim, especially on a worn trail like this. Let's just see how she's doing. I'm not seeing very many headlights back there.
Recording.
All right, so that little trail I went down was just a touch sketchy for Mrs. Brute's comfort level, which I absolutely respect. You should never ever drive anywhere that you're not comfortable going. So we're going to turn around. She's got another little trail up here that she wants us to cruise down. I hope I don't have to winch that tree, although I should just to get it off the trail. But this is not my property, so I don't know, man. Yeah, it's super icy. That's that branch that popped me in the chops. There we go. It may be dumping snow, but the trees are giving a windbreak. It's windy everywhere else. Give her lots of room because we got those two trees we got to pop up over. I need to get some goggles for this helmet. The shield is just not it's not working for me. If anybody has a pro tip on what goggles I should get for a Bell, I think it's a MP9 Adventure MIPS, M-I-P-S. I know it fits helmets. I know it fits goggles. But what goggles? Man, I have no idea. I have no idea what kind of goggles I should be buying. So I'll pop this over. I'll pop her bike over for her. I'll just leave my bike going, throw in neutral. I'll pop that over for you, bud. Yeah. All right, throw her in four. Yeah, her bike's got so much more torque than mine, it feels like. Haha. Brute force, baby. All right, I get hers out of the way. Throw it in neutral. Those heated hand grips are nice. Go back, get my buggy. Hope I don't slip and bust my ass. I'm considering a format change on my channel. As you guys know, I've been doing a bit of sponsored advertisement shit, and I'm finding it's taken away from the fun of the channel. But that being said, I have some commitments, and let's see if my bike gets over this. Boom. Yeah, I have some commitments and some relationships with some nice people that I have some stuff I need to finish up. And if that pans out, it pans out. And if it doesn't, it's no skin off my ass. But going forward, I'm not going to be accepting any more sponsors. For the reason being, I want to film fun. I don't want to film commercials. Now, if I can fit their stuff in during the fun, all good, but, you know, it takes away from the reason I wanted to do this whole YouTube thing. And for those of you viewers that are new, I wanted to chronicle my life. I just want YouTube is a free storage media, and if I film all this shit that I'm doing, someday when I'm 70, 80, however old, I'll be able to pop open what technology, whatever it is, you know, whatever chip is planted in your head or thing you press and it shows up in the sky. Who knows what technology is going to be like. I'll be able to see what I was doing when I was 50 years old. And yes, I'm 50 years old. I act 14, but it takes a special kind of person to be able to do that. So, look at her ripping through the woods. God love her. Cut a trail, baby. There you go. Woo! Slippity doo dah. No need to wait for me. I got it. I like these little tight trails through the woods. Yeah, I absolutely need a solution where I can wear glasses in the winter and it not fog up. So if anybody there has any suggestions, please drop a comment below. Any of the regular commenters know that I pretty much respond to every single comment. I really like engaging with the people that watch my stuff, the few people that are subscribed. I'm pushing on 300 subscribers. Shockingly, those 300 subscribers are only approximately 5% of people that watch my channel. There's between 92 and 95% of people that watch my channel are not subscribed, and I don't ask much, but it would help if you do watch my channel more than once, or even once. If you like what you see, just mash the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It just gives me a notification, and someday I'll get monetized, but probably not. That's not what I'm in it for. It would just be a fringe benefit. Help pay for some gas. Yeah, just it doesn't cost you anything to hit the subscribe button, and it tells me that people are actually interested. And yeah. Oh, my nose is freezing. This is a decent little trail back here. If anybody's interested where I turned around, it gets exponentially sketchier. Like even on the best of days, best of nice summer days, the rocks are, the path turns into a 45-degree boulder field, and it gets no fun really quick shortly after I turned around. I just wanted to get out. I'd also like to mention that if anybody else creates content, YouTube content or Instagram content or anything like that, and you want to spam your channel on my channel in the comments, fucking do it. Like, I'm all about community, and I'm not trying to keep the internet. Like, there's a few people that won't mention other YouTubers, or want to keep all the viewers to themselves. That ain't me. I give shout-outs in my very first video. I gave shout-outs to YouTubers that I admired, that were inspiration to me, and I'm I still have communication with them today, and it's almost like this YouTube is developing a family, and I'm getting to know some of the commenters on my videos, and I enjoy hearing their opinions. Yeah, this YouTube is a good thing for me. I enjoy it. So this is the end of this little trail here. You can see there's a mountain there, and I think Highway 103 is right over there. So we're going to turn around and we're going to follow Mrs. Brute. this would be nice to bring the teardrop trailer back to if there was a way to get back here, but it's going across. This is actually private property, but there's no buggying signs, so yeah. Very snowy. It's coming down super fast. And I'm wearing a new jacket. It's a Carhartt knockoff. Got it from Mark's Work Warehouse for a grand total of $72 Canadian. And it's one of the nicest, warmest, most comfortable jackets I've ever had. It's for $72, you kind of don't really need to give a shit about it. You can lay down on the ground and get under your buggy and not worry about getting it dirty and, all the things that people that wear expensive shit care about. I really hope that the camera's not fogging up, but we will see once I get home and plug it into my Mac. Speaking of Macs, I'm torn on the Mac that I have. It's a MacBook Air that's, I don't know, 5 or 6 years old. It only has a 128 gig hard drive on it, so it's very limited on space that I can use. Like one longer video that I need to produce, I put the raw files on it, and then the building file that I use through iMovie. Sometimes that maxes out the hard drive space, so yeah, that kind of sucks. I was pricing them out, and the MacBook Pros start at, I don't know, $2,200 or something crazy like that Canadian, and I just can't justify spending that. I just I'm gonna have to someday, but the longer I can put it off, the better. Uh-oh, she is going somewhere. I think we're headed towards the driveway of the private property, which I don't want to be. Yeah, we're going to spin around. Do a little Yui here. Also, if anybody has any content that they suggestions or how-tos or reviews on Brute Force 750s, anything. Hell, even if you want me to just talk about something, I will. It's this is for you guys too. What you want to see is what I want to create. But yeah, I had after some thoughts this week, I've been doing a bit of soul searching on, should I be making these videos for the man and the man being sponsors? And I do have active, relationships with sponsors, and I'll hopefully continue with those people, but I'm not going to be seeking stuff just for swag anymore. I got what I need, and what I don't have I'll buy with money. This is a fun little path. I love it. Also, very soon, hopefully very soon, I'll be rocking some more backwoods teardrop off-road camping videos. I can't wait. It's pretty much consuming every minute of every thought is getting out in my Luna Rover, hauling it with a pickup back in the woods. I may do a review. I have a 2021 Hemi Ram 1500 Classic Warlock Edition. I may do a review on that if anybody gives a shit. People may not. But, boy, she's peppy. Likes gas. Really likes gas. I got the 392 rear end, and it's primarily meant for towing, but it also, a fringe benefit of that is just absolute motorcycle style acceleration. Like, even though it's got anti-lock or anti-spin wheels, whatever the fuck you call that, every time I pull out of a street, it's burning out. It's, yeah, I like it. It's fun. I thought there was a second log we had to bump over here. I think Mrs. Brute made it over the first one. Actually, this is the end of the trail. So we're back to the start. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a good time making it. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. You know, if you like the videos, say you like the videos. If you hate the videos, tell me to kiss my ass. You know, whatever. It's all good. I'm just happy there are people that enjoy the shit that I do. So thanks for watching. It's appreciated. I'll be chatting you. Have a good one. Stay safe. Peace.